Welcome back, guys. It's Austin, aka Master Kokoro. Thanks for watching. Today's video, I want to bring a quote to you guys. I was thinking about this for a while and I wasn't really sure what it meant, but after thinking about it, came to me. It's raining outside, getting kind of soaked. That's okay. We out in nature. So what the quote is, a bird has to learn how to walk before it can fly. A bird has to learn how to walk before it can fly. It's a bird. It's just supposed to fly, but before it can spread its wings and do what it's naturally meant to do in its natural state, it needs to learn how to walk. Think about that and apply that quote to your life. If we were the bird and we had to walk before we can fly, what would that mean? What would that be referring to? So for us, walking would be just to live. We need to go through life and the struggles through life in order to ascend and spread our wings and go back to our natural state. We need to learn how to navigate through this realm of existence, through this matrix, in order to fly, in order to ascend and elevate in consciousness, and to go through different dimensions. We need to be able to start from level 1 to level 2 to level 3 and to keep on going. And now it's not an easy thing to do. It's difficult. It's very hard to navigate through this realm of existence when there's so many distractions everywhere. You got like the internet. A lot of people, like, you know what I mean? Like, they just go through all these different distractions that keep you in place. But once you know how to navigate through it, you can be in your power and you can ascend. But first, we need to learn how to walk through this life, hopefully in a straight line. If not, that's okay. Everyone has a different processing speed of where they need to be. And it's not exactly where you need to be. It's where you are is actually where you should be. But there are things that you could do to accelerate the process and different opportunities that could arise that can push you a little faster than others. We're all the same. We're all headed to the same place. We're all headed in the same direction. There's a lot of different paths to the top of the mountain. You could go straight. You can go left. You can go right. You can go around. Go up. You can go any way you want because we have free will. We're all playing this game called life. And we all like games. We all want to win. So how do we win? How do we fly? You need to listen to the signs. You have to pay attention. Be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of yourself. Because you know the way. You just have to remember. So a bird needs to walk before it could fly. We need to learn how to navigate through this life before we can ascend. That's it for this video. I'm getting kind of wet. Woo! Nice and cleansing. So on that note, please like, subscribe, share this video if you think anyone needs to hear this message. My name is Austin, aka Master Kokoro. I love you all. Till next time, guys. Peace.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.